I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry clean. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hemant Manji, and today I am unboxing two products. One is laptop slip case and another one is laptop cleaning kit. So let's get started. So here's the first product, that is laptop slip case of red and black color. So let's unbox it. This is its packaging. Let's open it. These slipcases are very much useful for protecting our laptop against dust and pollutants. They are also very useful for carrying our laptop for a distance. So here's the bag, the slipcase. This is for 15.6 inch screen size, also available for 14 inches laptop. So this is what it looks like, black, and from inside it is red. It properly fits for my laptop with a nice grip. Its material is also quite good. You can also purchase it. I purchased it from Flipkart, and the link of the product is in the description. So here's the second product, that is screen cleaning kit for laptop and mobiles, and this is package box. Let's unbox it. So let's see what's inside. Here's a bill of the product, which cost me 130 rupees, and here's the spray. There's a spray and a brush. It's a laptop cleaning kit. Let's try this on my laptop. With the help of this brush we can remove the dust. So here's my laptop. Let's spray some. Yeah, with the brush it doesn't get proper clean, so you can also rub it after applying the spray from a cloth to get a more shiny look. So this was it guys, hope you like the video. If you do so, like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and do comment. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. See ya.